Okay, let's talk about the eye, the sense organ that we are going, the only sense organ that we are going to discuss in this chapter. So when we look at our eyes, the visible parts which are quite visible to us are the white portion. We have the white portion, and then we have a colored part. Is it so?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So
बस
this,
किसी की आंखें येलो भी होती हैं.
अच्छा चलें, the yellow part जो पानी नहीं पीते,
Very bad.
इसलिए पानी पीना चाहिए.
बस वैसे अगर पानी ना पिए तो उससे आंखें येलो कैसे हो जाती हैं?
डिहाइड्रेशन हो जाती है बॉडी में.
ओके बस.
ओके. अदरवाइज कुछ इन्फेक्शंस भी होते हैं, लाइट की वजह से भी होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर हो लाइट पे तो भी वो फिर इन्फेक्शन की फॉर्म
बस
में आ जाता है.
जॉन्डिस और टाइफाइड.
हाँ, उसकी वजह से भी होते हैं.
तो आपका लिवर फेल होता है.
Okay, so let's talk about the parts. Very first thing is the cornea. Cornea is the visible part, that is the that is the layer present on your eye, and it allows the light to enter in your eye. Now there are two terms called as a reflection and refraction. Do you know the meaning of these? Reflection and refraction.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Okay, what is reflection and what is refraction?
मिस रिफ्लेक्शन इज जब आपको कोई चीज नजर आती है
Wait. Let's talk about physics. What is reflection and what is refraction?
फिजिक्स पढ़नी है.
जी
अच्छा
जी.
ये फिजिक्स है.
हाँ.
हाँ हाँ ये तो हमने पढ़ा था ऑटो में. याद
चलो.
नहीं है.
The bouncing back of light is called reflection. Okay?
ओके.
The light bounces. Okay? This
ठीक
is
है.
reflection. While the
ठीक है.
passing of light from one medium into another, but with the changing pathway. For example, if you place, wait. Take a glass, a transparent glass, and then put a pencil into it, you will find that pencil might seem bent. Do you want to do that experiment? Take a glass, put a pencil in it, you'll see the pencil won't be straight, it is quite bent. This is refraction, bending of light when it passes from one medium to another, because it's passing from air to water. The medium changes, so it would bend. Mara, are you there?
Yes, miss. I'm
Okay.
listening.
Okay. So when the light enters into our eye, it doesn't go straight. When if it's entering from here, it doesn't go straight. It will change its pathway. Maybe this way or this way. The direction would change. Not the direction, you can say the angle would change. When it passes through the corner, the angle would be different. Okay? Then we
बस
have.
ये रिफ्रैक्शन की इतनी समझ नहीं आई
Okay.
मुझे सही से.
Okay. Wait. Go and bring one glass of water and a pencil. लेकर आओ तो मैं जल्दी से समझाऊं क्या है.
पानी का ग्लास लाऊं.
हाँ, पानी लेकर आना है उसके अंदर. शीशे का
उसके
ग्लास.
बाद क्या है?
शीशे का ग्लास, उसके अंदर पानी और पेंसिल लेकर आओ.
एक मिनट आई.
आपको ये सारी बातें कैंसिल करनी पड़नी है क्योंकि मैं बहुत इजी वे में बैठी हुई हूँ. आप कैंसिल करने में बहुत इजी बैठी हूँ. मैंने आपको कहा था मुझे हेडफोन दे दो, एटलीस्ट उसकी आवाज़ नहीं आएगी, इसलिए मांगा था मैंने आपसे. अभी सब कुछ रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, आपको पता है जो मैं बोल रही हूँ.
यस मिस राइट. मायरा
क्या किया सर?
ग्लास लाना था. ये स्टील वाले ग्लास में तुम्हें कुछ नजर
शीशे का ग्लास लाना है. कहा भी है मैंने शीशे का लाना है. तुम भी कमाल ही करती हो. इरफान अनाया से पानी का ग्लास मंगवाना शीशे का, और अपने पास से पेंसिल भी देना. Okay, is the glass one third? Is it one third of water? Okay. Now look at it from the side, not from the very close. Like look at from the side. Is bending of pencil? So this is refraction. It may seem, huh? Easy now. Understand what is refraction. So when light move from one medium to another medium, now the light is entering from air into your eye. Okay, the medium changes. It means the light is going to bend. Okay, so the light is going to bend. This is refraction. Clear? Okay, now, okay, why does this happen? This is physics, but why does this happen? Because one medium is more denser than other. That's why the bending take place. This refraction. Why does this refraction happens? Because one medium is more denser than the other one. Okay? Okay, let's move to the next part. The next part is the pupil, which is the colored part. Pupil, the colored, the color one. Yes. Okay. Inside this part is the iris. Now the iris is the again a more central structure in the eye. Let me just wait, I'm pasting. Okay. This one part, this gray part, I've pasted an eye. This is pupil. And this black part, this is iris. Okay. Now the light, नहीं नहीं, उन्होंने ठीक बताया आपको, मैंने गलत बताया. मैंने वो ऑपोजिट बता दिया. हाँ हाँ. Wait. Because the pupil size changes. Let me erase this. Not the iris size change, the pupil size change. Okay. This is pupil. Oh, where's my pen? This one is pupil. Its size changes according to light. Size changes according to light. Have you seen cat's eyes? Myra, have you ever seen cat's eyes? Cat eyes. Have you ever observed how cat changes the size of its eye? कैट की आइज कैसे चेंज होती है, उसका साइज कैसे चेंज होता है? नो आइडिया. कोई तो वीडियो को देखी होगी, कभी तो कोई वीडियो देखी होगी इंस्टा पे या ऐसा कुछ, बहुत कॉमन वीडियो है, देखी हुई है ना? अच्छा, अब सुनो. जब बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट होती है ना, so this pupil is controlling the light in your eye. It contracts so that the minimum light can enter your pupil when the light is really bright. decreases. So when the light is dim, because you need more light responses or the light signals, it will dilate. It will become bigger in size so that more light can enter. So in dark, it dilates or becomes bigger. In a bright light, it shrinks or contracts. Okay? And this is known as accommodation. Okay? The eye accommodation. There is a question, and there is a whole process behind it. There is a whole process behind it, that there are some muscles which actually are controlling the size of pupil. We'll learn that later. Let's talk about the general things. Okay, next one is the lens. Lens is the one which is going to focus light on the retina. When it passes through the lens, it then falls onto the retina. That is going to produce an image. Okay. Then there are ciliary muscles and suspensory ligaments, which are holding your eyes. Okay. Now listen. The ciliary muscles are connected with your colored part. Ciliary muscles are connected with your colored parts, while the suspensory ligaments are connected to your lenses. जो भी ब्राउन है, ब्लैक है, whatever the colored part of the eye, ग्रे है, हेजल है, whatever the eye color is. Okay. Next one. Next one is we are done with iris, cornea, and everything. Okay. Then there is a sclera. Sclera is the lining of the eye. You might see there is some layer on your eye. That layer is sclera. The white part are more visible. The white. Okay, when you roll your eyes, the sclera is more clear. Okay, next one. The retina. Retina is the place where the light falls, and it contains the colors. Oh, sorry, the rods and cones. Okay. Now, what are rods and what are cones? You might have heard of the color blindness. What is color blindness? A certain color. Not all the colors, only a certain color is not visible. No, 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 no. Mean they cannot differentiate between, like, for example, yellow and green, or green or red. They cannot differentiate between a certain color, because there are only three type of cones that mix up the color and make the different colors in your eyes, in your image. Okay, so one of their cone is defected, let's say. Okay, due to which, I don't believe you. Is lens visible to you? It means you can see blue color. I was writing with blue, reflection and refraction. It was visible to you. It was visible to you. Okay, let's do some test. Okay, okay, okay. Let's do a test. I hope your screen is visible more to you. Okay, what is the letter written in the first box? Correct. What is written in the second box? Just what is written. Okay, next one. Next one. Next one. And the next one. 74. Okay, so this is, there are certain like tests for eyes by which you can like check whether if someone is color blinded. Okay, so there are certain cones and there are rods. Okay, the cones are going to differentiate between the colors. You'll get to know about the colors, what kind of color is present. Okay, and they're less sensitive to light because they're only showing you the color of anything, whatever is visible. No, the cones, yes, cones, not rods, cones. Okay, rods make the image clear. Yes, we are talking about eye. There is a structure called as rod. Okay. Okay. Now these are rods and these are cones. The pointed one are called as cones, and which have blunt end, these are called as rods. Okay. Because of this structure, we name them as rods or cones. Okay. Then there is, sorry, fovea. The function of a fovea, it has the greater density of light receptors. The maximum light receptors are present over here. And then there is a blind spot. Blind spot is a place where there is no light, no rod or cone. Let's look at this structure. So there is no blind spot over here because there are rods and cones present. So there is one area, but I'm talking about blind spot right now. For example, here we have blind spot. Now, blind spot is a place where there is no detection of light. Okay, okay. And then there are optic nerves. Optic means related to eye. The nerves that connect to eye, and then further sensory neurons and relay neurons and motor neurons. Okay, okay. Uh, okay, let's talk about the pupil contraction when the light is very bright. Yes, these are easy, not that much tough. Okay, then we'll finish till here. We are going to stop here. We are going to finish it. Till here only then.